It has been a long time coming and I am so incredibly excited to take you guys on a tour of my new office. Hey guys, Sarah here from Work Life Glue. If you're new to my channel, I am going through a huge transition right now. I'm pregnant with baby girl number 3, due in like a couple weeks by the time this video is up. I'm 37 weeks at the filming of this video. I'll be close to 38 weeks by the time this video is up. And I am just so excited because I have transitioned from a teacher to a nanny to a childcare provider, which is what I was. And now I just watch one little boy and I am here for my girls, and I am working on this Work Life Glue channel and business and lots of different things coming down the pipeline, and I'm just so excited. But because I closed my daycare, I was able to turn our basement into an office / workout room. The workout room's not done. It's not gonna be anything fancy. But this office is something I've dreamt of for so long. I didn't know if it would actually happen, but it's so nice now to have a place to film, a place to record, a place to edit, a place that is just mine and my husband's, that we can come and be kid-free. It doesn't get super cluttered and it's just ours. Now, obviously it's very more on the feminine side because I will be filming here. I wanted it to reflect the Work Life Glue brand, and I've been recently going through some rebranding, which will be, you know, updated soon. So that's really exciting. So I really narrowed down on what colors and what feel I wanted. And it's just a really fun, playful, feminine room that I'm just so excited about. I get so inspired by it and I just can't wait to show you guys. I did this on as tight of a budget as I possibly could, but the cool thing about a business office is that everything is tax deductible, so that's always a win. So let's take you guys on a tour. Please don't mind the cat. I can't keep him out of this room or he'll just be pawing at the door the whole time I'm filming this. So here is the room. It's a very spacious basement bedroom, and voila, that is the art I chose. I've been teasing it on Instagram. I'll talk about that later, but this is the room as a whole. So I have a desk, office space, and then I've got just like a nice gallery wall, and then we have this couch, which is actually a futon that can fold down, so this can also be a guest room. I've got a coffee table here, and then I have my ladder shelf. The main point of this area was for filming and to host guests and just to make it comfortable, but I wanted different ways I could film and have pretty backdrops and stuff, and not feel locked into just one backdrop all the time. It does have an egress window. We refinished this basement right after we moved in when our basement flooded, but it's got a closet here. Here's the door. And so here is the desk space. The whole desk is from IKEA. I will link to as much as I can below. This is an Alex unit. We keep our printer on here. Above I have this whiteboard. So I just write down different content ideas on here on different pastel colored sticky notes. And that way I can kind of just switch them around and just put them up easily. I can use this to brain dump for videos, write down my notes. So when I'm filming I can see it. I just wanted a whiteboard in here. And then the main desk area, this is, like I said, IKEA. It's got an IKEA top, IKEA legs, and then another Alex unit that's smaller. And I have my laptop down here. I got a lot of this stuff on a haul that I will link to below for the decor and different functional pieces. But I got this shelf up here that was from Menards, and the brackets are from Menards. They're like the gold brass. And then I got this little shelf at Hobby Lobby just for some more accessories and books and a picture. I got this calendar from Target, just very simple. And then I just cut down the same set of sticky notes and I write down video ideas. This way I can easily change them and swap them and move them. And so I know when I'm posting what videos and what's coming up. This I got from IKEA. It's just a sorter, so I have different books and things in here. Girl with a Plan, Kleenexes. My favorite pedestal stand is down here. And I have this really cute, this is also like little notes, but it says think it, want it, get it. I still have to put batteries in this, but that was from IKEA. Hobby Lobby had some really cute office accessories. I got this at Marshall's, I think, or TJ Maxx, and I just fill it with colored pens, highlighters, pens, and pencils. And then I've got some journals and different list making items and stuff like that. Over here, this is supposed to stay up, but it never does. I have this flying pig that's very special to me. I love pigs, and flying pigs are very symbolic to me, and John and Sherry Petersick signed this when I met them years ago. So it's really cool, and I love this little blush colored rock that says "You Are Enough." And then I have this page a day calendar that I got from Hobby Lobby that I really like. It's Moments for Moms, and I come down here at 4 a.m. to do my editing and whatnot, and I can flip it over, and it just has really good like biblical and motherhood quotes on it. I got this little lamp on Amazon. It's great so I don't have to turn on all the lights when I come and work in here. And then I got this amazing deal on these mesh like wire hangers for display boards. I actually got 3 of them, but I ended up just wanting 1 in here, and it was for $2.99. So I just printed off some prints on Etsy, threw in some pictures and just different things I had around the house to inspire me and remember like why all of this is important to me and why I work hard and things like that. And then up there I just added some artwork and stuff that inspired me. I think those were all from Hobby Lobby, and just a faux plant and some decorative items and a candle. So this is where I do my editing, recording, you know, all that kind of stuff is in here early in the morning, or when my kids are asleep or gone. So that's what I do. And just to show you guys kind of the storage in here, we just have different kinds of paper, printer paper, cardstock, colored paper. These are like labels. My husband has a cookie business as well, so I have like his label stuff. We've got photo paper, and then I have just some organizers. I knew I'd have extra space, and so this is all like extra stuff for my morning routine. But I wanted extra space to fill just in case, you know, over time, if I accumulate more or need to adapt it, I have the space. And then in this one, I just love it because there's no kids coming in here, so I can like store scissors in here and stuff. The stapler, I have the little calculator that matches, the tape dispenser, overflow stuff, more stuff. This is all like planning items, washi tape and stickers, checklists, more stickers. I've got this for my little wax melt holder thing. More electronical type things. And then just some extra like planning type things. Okay, so that was over here on the left wall. I have this mirror that I absolutely love. I got 50% off at Hobby Lobby. I think it's so pretty. I couldn't have it anywhere in the background of my video, so I just love that it's like right here where I can still see it and enjoy it, but it's not like reflective in my videos. Over here's the egress window. I just got these curtains on Amazon. They have like a light blush pink geometric pattern on them and a nice linen fabric. So they're not too matchy-matchy, but they do definitely tie in, and I just love them. I think they're so pretty. I do need to hem them though. And then over here is my gallery wall. I got a few of these items at like Hobby Lobby, and then a couple at Target, and then most of the littler frames I either bought some prints on Etsy or just printed out some of our family photos. So I just like this because it ties the colors together. It motivates me and just makes me feel really good. And I've got some of my family that I will need to change out once the baby is born. But the main colors of my brand are this blush pink and like a mint green and then grays. So I also just love the gold, so I threw that in, and I also love like watercolor and abstract art. So this was also $2.99 I believe at Hobby Lobby, so that was a really good deal. The lamp, this lamp I originally bought for over here, but it was way too small, so I ended up getting that one at Hobby Lobby on sale, and I really love it. I don't think I need anything here now to balance it out. It feels pretty good. Okay, so the opposite side is like the comfy sitting area side. I have a nightstand from Amazon, I'll link below. This futon is a Novogratz futon, but I love how it's like really mid-century modern, and I got that on Amazon for less than $300, and it's really high quality and I love it. And I got the pillow at Target and the blanket I already had, and then I also got this coffee table on Amazon, and I just love like the geometric thing there. I already had this rug, which was also from Amazon. So the artwork, I went back and forth. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I didn't know if I was gonna do like a macrame thing, a series of prints, or what, but the main thing is I couldn't have it be reflective, and it had to be really large in scale, and I wanted it to really have, you know, the same vibe I want to give off, which is just like happy and playful and fun and not too serious, but you know, but still beautiful and somewhat like adult, but not too adult, if that makes sense. I don't know, just fun, but still really like professional, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So I ended up scouring the internet for weeks and weeks. I found this print on Etsy from Crown Prints. I'll link it below, but it was kind of an ordeal because the size I needed was not offered, so I had to email the seller and it took a while to get back, but she ended up giving me the bigger file size, and then I blew it up on a canvas from canvaspop.com and got 50% off, and I had them add the frame. So it wasn't super inexpensive, but I did it the most inexpensive way I could for something of this quality and size and exactly what I wanted. So it is in a floater frame, and I just think it's beautiful. I love the colors in it. It looks exactly like I thought it would. I played around on Photoshop trying out different pieces of art, and this is what I chose. I just think the scale is perfect. The colors are perfect, and I love that like if I'm sitting in front of it or like standing over here, it will kind of be even more blown out and blurry. So it's, you know, it has a lot going on, but it's not too distracting, and I love it, and I think it's perfect. And then over here I have this ladder shelf, so I just collected different accessories and stuff. I have my WLG for Work Life Glue. I got this faux hanging plant on afloral.com just to add more greenery, but I can't have any real plants on here because the cat will climb up and eat them. So I just have, although this one might be real, should probably water it. So I have mostly succulents from IKEA. I got this little coffee sign because I love coffee. This pretty blush pink and brass gold globe, and just little accessories from different places thrown in there. And then I have this hashtag mom life, and then down here is all my morning routine supplies. So, and then of course the cat has a little area, a little cat scratcher, and a little bed. So the only place I haven't done anything with yet is this wall next to the door. I still have screws I need to get out from when this had a magnet board on it, but I don't know yet, and I didn't want to just fill the walls with just anything, so you won't really see that in the videos because I'll either be filming like from this direction or this direction or face, you know, head on or whatnot, or I'll be sitting at my desk and you'll see like a lot of this. But I don't know, if you guys have any ideas for what to put over there, let me know. But here is the overview of my office. You'll be seeing a lot of it now on my videos. The closet I have not really done a whole lot with. I don't know what I want in here yet. I just have like all the bins from decluttering and organizing our house. We have a lot of extra bins. I've got adult games in here. All our kid games are in the playroom. And then just some other stuff. I'm gonna have my husband's baking, like his cookie business, different supplies that he uses for packing and distributing in here so that they're not in our bedroom anymore and they're, you know, away from the kids. So that'll be going in here eventually, but for now the ceiling likes to fall down in there, but it's fine for now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my office. I would love to know what your favorite part was. Do you have an office in your home? Do you work from home? Do you do stuff online? I would love to know that as well. Leave it in the comments below. If they are disabled, head over to our community tab and find the thumbnail for this video and you can comment there. I wish we could have a better community right under the video, but YouTube has disabled the comment, so it gets a little frustrating sometimes. But I'm just so excited for this new stage in my life that I've worked really, really hard for, and I'm just so excited to have this space that's mine. It's my only space in our house. I've never had a room to myself besides like when I was a kid. So it's just really, really exciting. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.